Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to use AI to transform your videos to anything, and it is mind blowing. I have recently stumbled upon an exciting AI platform that has the potential to elevate your video content to a whole new level. What is truly fascinating is that it can work its magic on even the most ordinary and straightforward videos like this, completely transforming them into something truly extraordinary. It is an incredible tool that can make your content stand out and capture your audience's attention in a way you might not have thought possible. I encourage you to stick around until the end of this video, where we will showcase the before and after so you can witness firsthand the incredible outcome this AI platform can deliver. But before we proceed, to guide you through the process of creating a free account, let me introduce you to this channel. If you are interested in staying updated on the newest AI tools and learning how to use them efficiently, this is the ideal channel for you. We provide straightforward tutorials and keep you in the loop. Remember to please hit the subscribe button. It greatly supports us in producing more informative videos. Now, let's get started. The initial step involves visiting kaiber.ai. After that, scroll down and on the transform section, click on try now, since this is what I am going to show you. Also, I'd like to mention that in order to access a free account for a 7-day trial, you will need to sign up. I won't be covering the account creation process here because I have already provided a detailed guide on how to do it titled How to Use kaiber.ai to Bring Your Stories to Life for Free. You can check that out for a step-by-step tutorial. Now, let us select the type of video, which can be either a flipbook or a motion video. I will choose the flipbook option. Next, scroll down and you will see 3 choices. Click on transform an existing video and then upload the video file you want to work with. In my case, I will pick the video I showed you earlier. After that, click on continue to prompt. This is where the AI works its magic. Describe the prompt you want to provide for your video. I will write meteorites fallen, and then select the style I prefer for my video. You can find the style options on the right side. Just click on the style you'd like to use. I will go with intergalactic because it seems like a good fit for the prompt I wrote. Once you are done with your prompt and style, scroll down and click on Video Settings. Here, you have the option to adjust the number of transformations you want to apply. By the way, so you can keep track of how many of your free credits are being used, you can see the cost and the remaining credits here. Initially, you receive 100 credits, but since I have used this before, my credits now have decreased. The credits cost of each video you create varies and depends on the prompt, style, and settings you choose, which will determine how many credits it consumes. Since I am comfortable with making 10 transformations, I will just click on Generate Preview. Now, we will patiently wait for a few moments while the preview is fully generated. But our journey isn't quite over yet. You will need to make a final decision. Pick the preview that you'd like to transform into your video. Just click on your chosen preview and then hit Create Video. For one last time, let us be patient and wait for it to complete the process of crafting our video. And there you have it. You have successfully transformed your ordinary video into something truly amazing and creative. It is quite impressive, wouldn't you agree? By the way, you can always change the style, but the core essence of your video remains unchanged. It is just the background and a few additional prompts that get incorporated. Should you want to share the video you have created, simply click on Share. And if you are thinking of downloading the video, just click on Download. Additionally, if you wish to enhance the video's quality, you can upscale it too. That is the simple process of using kaiber.ai to transform your videos into something remarkable. It is quite straightforward, don't you think? After you have given it a try, please share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback insights, and experiences could prove valuable to others who are considering using this platform. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.